Welcome to today's episode. I'm going to be breaking down this groove I played in the song. Is the surfers. And the first group that I played is do 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 fa 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 do do so do si do, the normal do and the high do so do fa 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 do so do si. Second one, which is do fa do so do si so fa mi do so. So as we are landing at so do ti, you will not come back to do as usual. From ti you so ti so fa mi do so do fa do so do ti so fa mi do so do fa do so do ti so fa mi do so do fa do so do ti so fa mi do so do fa do so do ti do. The second one I played is so la do la re do fa, so la do la re so la do la re do fa, so la do la re so la do la re do fa, so la do la re so la do la re do fa, so la do la re. Once you do do re, then the mi you just like do re mi do re mi do re. No, that you understand. This is the concept. Do re. You don't need to strike mi. As you are landing on do re, you slide it. Do re mi do re voila do re so ti do re mi do re voila do re so ti do re voila do re mi do re so ti do re mi do re voila do re mi do re so ti do re mi do re voila do re mi do re so ti do re mi do re voila do re mi do re so ti. Subscribe and also click on the like button, and make sure you practice regularly, because constant practice it was make us perfect. We get constantly used to what we do, constantly, and so make out time to always rehearse your instruments.